Remember, you need to just slowly do.
Hey sailors, welcome back to my channel. I am here with Ruth, who is one of our great fitness instructors on board, and today we're going to be doing a bungee class.
Yes.
I'm very excited.
We work in the whole body. It's a fun, energetic type of class.
This is either going to go really well or really
don't
not.
face plant.
Yeah. So let's see.
Basic your warm up. So you're going to have this open. It's going to be covering your pelvic area. Okay?
Yeah.
You're going to lean forward. So if you do feel like there's too much resistance, what you'll do is take off one of the clips, flip it on top like that.
I feel like I'm doing like Go Ape or something.
We're doing your reality.
Your reality.
We're practicing for your reality.
Oh, good.
You must have put a
Hi.
Doctor, is he okay? Doctor, is that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to set up one more over here in the center. What we were doing was just like the running man. So you're running, we're practicing to run, the main area that we use.
Okay.
You're going to fall forward, walk your hands back. Here we go. So you should be able to lift your hands up like that, basically. Almost like the Mission Impossible. Very Mission Impossible. Okay, so what we're going to do is now push-ups, okay? So there's three options of doing these. So you could always do like this one. For people that don't want to have that high jump impact.
Yeah.
Then you can do these ones.
Ooh.
Which makes it a little bit more energetic, more high impact. Then you could do these ones, which is just lifting the legs up. What? What is it a Super Bowl? Where she comes down from the cable.
Does she?
Yeah, she comes down from like the cable thing and then...
Oh, right.
That always happens. Keep going, Doctor. You've got to keep going. It's a workout still.
Oh.
Exercise 4 is front jumps.
Front jump.
Front jump. So you're going to fall exactly like that forward. Legs are bent. Hop. 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 They gotta move. See, you gotta bend the legs. Bend your legs like this. Sink them out. And hop. Hop. And hop.
I feel like a frog.
You gotta hop.
I'm hopping.
Just hop. Hop. And hop. And hop. Just listen to falling down. Just remember to watch your knees. I've had people bang their knees multiple times.
I think the knee is a little too hot.
Not better.
Am I sitting in it?
Yes, you're going to sit in it. So glutes and back is supported for the next one. I'm going to show you how we do the next exercise. So, you're going to have it just like that. Like you're seated, yes. Like a normal seat. You're going to lift the legs up. Up. And then sit back. There we go.
Whoa.
And you're going to have the legs back.
I feel like I'm on.
Good. It's a swingers club. Swingers club. We are a swingers club. Side down.
Let the blood rush to your
Blood
head.
rush to your head.
Lovely.
So you fall forward like this.
Yes.
You see how my pelvic area is covered.
Yes.
I walk my hands back and I lift up.
Right.
And then you can just tie your legs around there. Generally people just flip over if they do fall. They never really like many do these.
They just flip over. Oh, no big deal.
No, doctor, you gotta walk back. You gotta walk with your hands back. Walk it back so you get lifted. Remember, you need to just slowly do.
Oh! Oh!
I think you're still too low. I think you're still too close to the ground. Let me try. Should be slightly easier. There we go.
See,
there we go.
Okay.
That's a lot better. So you're not elevated.
Yeah.
There we go. So now we just hang up it up. You can even do you can do like a stretch out.
I feel like I might fall flat.
Leg.
Oh!
A little scared.
Oh my god.
Then you can even just stretch it out. You can point the leg, point the other leg, that. The arm, and just like do like the, what does Peter call this one here? The coconut.
A lot of core here.
Yeah. You could even do like a pull. Pull. Pull.
Ooh.
So you want to get the triceps in.
Oh.
Pull. 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 Can you feel your arms are working?
Yeah. Oh yeah, okay.
Can you feel?
Yeah. Oh! Oh my god.
Lift across the right, inhale. And exhale.
Oh, okay, so we have just finished bungee. That was great. I loved that.
That's good.
It was intense though. It was more intense than I thought it was. I think when you think of a bungee class, you think, oh, it's going to be quite gentle,
No sweating.
relatively easy. But yeah, I'm boiling. But
get a good
what's
sweat
the? So can anyone do this class?
Not
No,
anyone.
no.
No.
So you have to have like a moderate fitness level.
Yeah, you need to have a moderate fitness level, as well as like if you have like high blood pressure or low blood pressure, or like or chronic illnesses, or if you have knee or joint problems.
Yeah, 'cause
it
it's
isn't
quite-
recommended because you're jumping
Yeah.
and swinging, so it's like high impact things.
And then is there a weight limit
That's
because
good.
you're hanging
Yeah.
from the ceiling?
So it's like a 200-pound weight limit.
Okay,
So-
that's fine. Yeah, but that was amazing. Thank you so much.
pleasure.
That was so good. Oh, I loved that. I've just got back to my cabin after doing bungee, but that was so good. It was actually, I think, like I said, it was a lot more energetic than I thought it would be, and I think my core is going to really hurt tomorrow, and my arms. My arms are already feeling the burn, but yeah, so much fun, so much fun. So I'm not starting work till 8 o'clock this evening, so I'm going to do some laundry, and I haven't eaten yet, but I'm ravenous, so I'm going to put some washing on, and then I think I'm going to go and have beans and toast, because when we were in, I think it was Nassau, the first time we got off in Nassau, we went to a supermarket and I bought myself some baked beans, and I still haven't opened them. So I'm feeling like today's the day. Today is the day for my first baked bean meal in like 4.5 months. And for any of you who are like, that's random, if you watch the video of me joining the ship, I think that video literally starts with me eating beans on toast and saying that it's my favourite thing. And I never really have it on the ship because the beans that they serve in the mess are always a bit shit. So I bought my own beans. I'm gonna get some toast. I'm gonna have beans on toast, and it's gonna be great.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know.
Okay, so I have put my washing in. The washing is going to take about an hour roughly, which means I have time to go and eat my beans and toast.
Like you, it could was. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you from the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it 'cause you proved to me that rising to the top.
I'm done. I think my eyes were definitely bigger than my belly. That was delicious.
Let's go. It could all be worse. I could be a hater like you.
So now while my laundry is in the dryer, I'm going to call my mom. And what's really nice is I actually get a signal in my cabin. So like on other ships, you have to call them in crew bar or in the mess. But I have signal in my cabin, so I can sit in bed and make all my calls, which is lovely.
I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time. It's my time. It's my time to run.
Okie dokie, so my laundry is done, or it should be done right about now. It should be dry, so I'm going to go and collect my laundry, come back, hang it up, and then I'm going to have a shower and wash my hair.
Young or old, I really don't care. Life has never really been fair. So put your fist up in the air. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now.
So I've just finished my nails and also just watched way too much of The Office. So I've been sat there for quite a while. And now it is 6:30 and I start work at 8 o'clock. So I'm going to straighten my hair, put some makeup on, get ready for work. And then, I mean, normally I would have dinner before work, but I had that huge portion of beans on toast. So I'm not actually that hungry. But if I don't eat now, I just know I'm going to be ravenous when I finish work. I love days like today where you just get stuff done, chill. Like, I feel like I've been very productive, like I've worked out, I've done my laundry, I've done my nails, I've washed my hair. I'm also making a YouTube video, so just move that there. I'm also making a YouTube video, so that's kind of ticked off the list as well. Okay, so I have just got changed into my uniform and I am ready for work. Open the shops. We are here in the meeting. Hello. Hello. I have just got back after finishing my shift at work, and just like I predicted, I'm absolutely ravenous because I didn't end up eating before I went to work. I'm starving now. So I'm going to go to the mess and have a cup of tea and have some food. Lucy, did you see sushi? No sushi. So I have toast with cheese and Marmite on top, which is going to be amazing. I have a bowl full of berries, and then I have some chocolate thing.
It's always that hate it or love it thing, isn't it? Yeah. Very much so. No one's like, oh, I kind of like that. You either love it or you hate it.
Just got back to the cabin after having a cup of tea and some food. I am going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, you know what to do. Press the subscribe button and the like button, and if you have any video suggestions, things you want to see, any comments, questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at Cruising as Crew. But I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video, guys.